Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a brand known as Pine. They sent me some gel nail polishes to try out, so let's get right into the video. So the brand known as Pine reached out to me to review some of their gel polishes. They are sold on Amazon and their brand focuses on producing healthy and eco-friendly gel nail polishes. They also gave me a code to share with you guys. I'll leave the information in the description below. So these are the gel polishes that they sent. The first one here is the classic red series, which includes a magnet for the cat eye gel polish, and then we have an assortment of dark purple, nude and white gel polishes, and also the instructions as well. I'll be swatching the gel polishes off camera as well, and I'll be showing the colors in natural lighting. The colors are really pretty, and they also said that the polishes smell like a hint of pine, but I don't know what pine smells like, so I wouldn't be able to tell you. The gel polishes smell really nice though, but I kinda like how all gel polishes smell, so I wouldn't know. So there are numbers assigned to each gel polish. The first one is P007, which is a dark purple gel polish. I actually thought it was black until I used it. It's so dark it's almost black. Even to the naked eye it looks black, but when it's applied it shows the purple undertone. However, on the website it says that it's black, so I don't know. Now we have P008, which is a dark brown. Then P009, a dusty blue. Then we have P010, a coral color. P011, a beige color. P012, a white gel polish. Now these colors are different shades of red right here. So now we have P055, which is the color that will be featured in this video. Then P056, P057 and P058, which is the cat eye gel polish. The cat eye does not need a dark base in order for the pigment to move. You just have to apply the gel polish and use the magnet to move the gel polish and cure, which is really nice. So I'm applying some peel off base coat on my nails for easier removal, and I wait for it to dry. If you want your nails to last longer, you should skip this step. Now I apply a thin layer of gel polish. This polish is really thin, so it's giving me a very neat application. It's not too thick at all. The colors are really nice as well. I'll definitely be using these gel polishes again. So this polish requires 3 layers to reach full opacity. It was still very thin when I was finished. I cured for 60 seconds after each layer because it stated to do so in the instructions, but you can get away with curing for 30 seconds depending on the wattage of your lamp. Mine is 48 watts. I'll leave a link to my LED lamp in the description. So I'm just going to let you guys watch my application and I'll be back shortly. Now I apply my top coat and I cure it for 60 seconds. Don't forget to cap your free edge. I didn't do it because I wasn't keeping these nails on for long. When the nails cool down, I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So Pine has some really nice colors and they seem to be high quality and healthy products, and for a reasonable price as well. So if you like them, you should check them out and you can use the code listed below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.